Sara Geronimo, Celine Leon, and Regine Velasquez.
Nakataas yung boses niya.
As ang hobbies niya ay singing, of course, surfing the net, eating, sleeping, and reading fictional books. Na ang motto naman niya ay, do your best and God will do the rest.
And may we call on our third contestant,
Miss
Irene Arante, singing Pangarap Ko Ang Ibigin Ka.
Walang audience feedback, sayang.
Sabay kong nadarama kaba at ligaya ang iyong pinig buwari ko'y di marinig pagkat namamahal pagkausap ka kaya nais kong malaman mo ang sumisigaw nitong aking puso. Pangarap ko ibigin ka at sa habang panahon ikaw ay makasama. Ikaw na lang ang siyang tulong sa buhay kong ito. Pangarap ko
Ganyan.
Okay, for...
Tingnan naman natin ang comment.
Yes, comment from...
Sir Nelson Tenorio.
Hello, good evening, Irene. Before you were so on stage, pababagang you're so overconfident, you're so confident. Hindi ko naman yung nervyo. I know, pag nag-perform kasi it's talagang naandyan yung being nervous, but I was not able to feel any nervousness. You're not...